Hello, everybody. My name is Alvaro Leal, and I am your Wayland Baptist University Computer Applications Professor. And today we are doing the final project. Congratulations, you made it this far. I commend all of you. Here we go. So the first thing you'll notice, guys, is we're doing a balancing the budget. So it's a spreadsheet that is very helpful. It'll be your very own balancing the budget spreadsheet that you can keep for yourselves and use every month. All right, guys. So let's take a look at the video now, guys. When you're done with the spreadsheet, make sure you turn it into Blackboard, and you will be done for the semester. And I commend you for all your efforts. So let me get out of your way so you can see the video correctly. Let's go ahead and go to the video. All right. So let's take a look at it. It says balancing the budget, and notice how nice it is. It's going to keep track of all your bills, your income, your emergency funds. So we're going to start from scratch. Notice that we have, we're going to be doing a merge. This causes the wholesale to merge. All right. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to create a table with outside borders. We're going to make it a color theme. And then we're going to go ahead and fill in the colors very nicely. And then we'll start with bills. We'll add budget and the actual, because we want to know what's actually happening, right? Because we budget and then what's actually going to happen with your money. We change the width a little bit so that it's easier to see, so the numbers don't get cramped up, the words don't get cramped up. Next, we're gonna make like a little border. This is like a style kind of a thing. So we're gonna like grab those cells and then color them. Notice that we use the kind of like the same theme, the same color. It's kind of like a tan color. All right, in this cell, we're going to put income, and in that cell, we're going to put budget, and then we're going to put actual again. And on the bottom, of course, we're going to put total. And we're going to grab these cells, all of them, all the way to the bottom. And again, we're gonna do a table, like borders, not a table. And then we're gonna put the same color themes, total. And now we're gonna have variable, budget, and actual. So notice that we are doing like the same width for H as D. So make it all symmetrical, make it look pretty. The next thing we want to do is also do color themes again. We're going to put savings. We're going to put budget. We're going to put actual. And then down in the bottom, we're going to put total. And then we're going to make this a little wider. This one's a little wider. And then K also a little wider. Gonna highlight those cells and then put borders again. Gonna put the same themes, the same color themes, debt, budget, and actual. So we're always keeping track of our actual money. Because one thing is to budget the money, and then the other thing is to see what the actual situation is happening. Okay, we're gonna put available to budget, available to spend, of course, and then left to spend. Those are my three categories. Grab them, put a yellow color. make it a little darker than the actual theme color. It's better. Notice that we are saying that's equal to that. That way they're connected. So the moment you put numbers, the numbers get connected to the N2 and N3 field. I hope you saw that, right? They just put equals and then they put the numbers coming from the budget. Notice what they're doing. They're putting a sum and they're adding all those fields there. The same thing for this one. Equals sum, and then you're just grabbing all those and equals sum, and then you just grab that field all the way up. Left to spend, of course, is going to be the difference between that one minus whatever is the total, minus all the little expenses, right? So that's what's left to spend. Notice that they took all the different fields. And then we have January. If you need to pause the video to see the formulas, you might want to do that because sometimes they're a little too quick, right? We got bills, variable, savings, debt, and then we have budget, and then we have actual. Equals that, and that one equals that. That way they get carried down there. And then equals that, and then equals that, and they get carried over there. Then equals that, and then equals that. They get carried over, and then equals that, and then equals that. Available budget to spend. We go to insert. We're gonna insert a column chart. Make it a little smaller. I'm gonna put it up here. So this one tells you how much is available. We're also gonna insert a chart using those values down there in the lower left. And we're gonna use a pie chart. Notice that it has the budget, and we're filtering certain things. We're gonna change it to that color. The budget right here. All right, there we go. We're also gonna make a 2D bar chart using the same data. But basically, the pie chart and the bar chart are actually showing kind of like the same idea. The only thing is that we are doing budget versus actual. And we'll grab that same one. And notice what happened. They're hiding it so that you don't have to see it. So they're using those numbers to do the charts, but then they hide them. And then every time you add something, another field, then it makes the necessary change. So as you're adding fields, it adds your charts get added. All right, guys, and that's it. That's how simple that is. Just have fun with it. Don't make it too complicated. Just have fun with it and make it your own personal budget. All right. You don't even have to put January. You could put April if you want to. Um, but once you're done, submit it to Blackboard, and you are done for the semester. Congratulations! Everybody did fantastic. All right. Thank you very much. Bye bye.